Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, a Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip is how to use common household products to unclog your drains. Now, a lot of us are concerned with what's happening with the environment, putting things into drains or down toilets or any of that kind of sewers that isn't environmentally friendly for obvious reasons. It can get into our environment. It may poison a lot of our wildlife, which we want to do, and fish, etc. So instead, we're looking for alternative solutions where just as effective as using harmful toxins in our household. Also, if you have young children or if you have animals, pets, I couldn't think of the word. You also want to try to use something that's more environmentally safe and also safe for them if in case they do ingest it, that they won't get sick. So today's tip is using these household products to unclog your drain. Sorry, I can't talk today. Anyway, so the first thing, if you do have a clogged drain, what you're going to want to do is boil some water and you're going to want to pour it down that drain and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Then you're going to add a mixture of half a cup of baking soda, and some people use a quarter cup of salt as well, pour it down the drain, followed by 1/2 a cup of white vinegar, and let it sit there for maybe another 10-15 minutes, and then turn your tap on and see how it works. It works wonders, and again, it's environmentally friendly. Let me see if you try it today and see if it works for you. If you have any comments for me, please, I'd love to hear from you. If you have any of these tips that you want me to share as well, please feel free and reach out. Have a great day, everybody. Bye for now.